Hello to my wonderful listeners. One Family TV wala motanale nan kotenke. Mbadi ngolu mbe audio no natilale nande anim video do je me yalon ko musinobe diamo kanjere me yalon ko police ole mati de police me mati me yalon ko to leka lo silolu nin kande adiamo da ko do la me yalon ko be suri ni drive do la ko ni na me yalon ko iko ilasta ate fala de me yalon ko wala sunta o ko ni na de ba drive nin ibe bulo kono le de ani molbe je me yalon ko mu MP bin karole do le me yalon ko fana be diamo kande mbadi wol benin audio be natilale na mbadi on ni lamay ani hakilola ngane
The scene occurred at Cooperative Johnson whilst I was there on duty last week, Tuesday, 23rd July, at around the hours of 9 o'clock. This driver by the name Molamin Diba came with his vehicle registration number BJL 9190, West Coast 9195C, 14 passengers. He just stood by the side of the passengers. And the driver was shouting, Birikama, Birikama. The passengers rose to the vehicle, where when they had 50-50, they stopped. There was two ladies who were telling him that, but the fare is $28. If you don't have $2 coins, we will understand that. But $50 is too much. Driver himself came down from his vehicle, stood before me, telling the passengers that, this is my vehicle. Any amount I want to charge, that's what I'm going to charge.
They are inquiring about the vehicle now.
So he was using a foul words against the passengers. There was an immigration officer who rose to him. There I moved, I stopped that guy. I told him, no, it's okay. My brother, how are you? He responded to me. He is fine. I told him that, can I please see your documents? He gave me the insurance. I told him, where is the driver's license? He said the driver's license is not at the position. I told him, okay, but why you are charging these passengers $50 when it is $28? From Cooperative to Birikama is $28 and you are charging them $50. The response from him towards me also was a foul word. In fact, that's not your business. Can you mind your business? It's my vehicle. The same word. Any amount I want to charge, that's what I'm going to charge. I told him, okay, it's okay. Now, join the vehicle. Let us go to office. There I joined at the driver's side. He on board. He asked the apprentice also to onboard the vehicle. We move, thinking that we will make a turn at Westfield traffic light. We reach at Westfield traffic light, he just passed. I told him, my brother, here is the junction, we should make a turn to the office. The response from him was, Manta Babe office. I said, oh, okay, hence you are not going, can you stop? The driver jumped behind, telling him that, don't even allow her to go down. Take him to Talindim Farokono, we kill her there, and dump her there, we find our way. That word was from the apprentice. The driver told him that she don't know us, what we are going to do to her. Today she will know her job. I just laughed. I tell them, you people cannot kill me. Okay. So we move on up to Chokistown, where they told me they are going to kill me. The direction they told me that they are going to kill me. They want to turn to that direction. I also hold the steering wheel. I insist for their going. We push and pull with the steering wheel. We go. We are heading to Tabokoto again. Next junction at Sobea, before we reach, I take my phone because for the first time I have already called the office and informed them. The driver refused to come there and he refused for me to go down. He said he is going to take me to a place whereby he is going to kill me. From Chokistown, we went up to Sobea Johnson. I take the phone again to call the same SI Sanya to inform him that I didn't allow them to enter Talindim Farokono, but we are still going. We are around at Sobea. Before I will complete Sobea, this said driver, Molamin Diba, told the apprentice that Mobile Babe Tabulokono in Mandinka. If you see he is calling people, he is having a phone. I was walking to Sanyang, the apprentice just cuffed my phone from my hand because he is behind me. He just take it to the flight mode. They enter in that Sobea Johnson. I saw a group of boys where I also turned the steering wheel. Those boys see us and they came to the vehicle. They intercepted the driver, take him out of the vehicle, asked me what happened. I explained the scenario to them. There they take the driver, put him inside the vehicle and tell him that let us come to office. He said he's not coming. There was one Firitonian by the name Samsidin. He told me that I can drive, I will take the vehicle to office. Let's go. By then the apprentice ran with my food. Other boys ran after him and they jet him around Serekunda, brought him back. Both of them were onboarded in the vehicle. That Firitonian by the name Samsidin drive the vehicle up to the tar road where he was taking turn to the office. The driver jumped on the said driver, Samsidin again, to fight him. That Samsidin stopped. They all opened the door and ran away. I told the driver, let's go to office, just take the vehicle. I came with that Samsidin. He parked the vehicle here. We booked our arrival. We went to Kanifing for the criminal aspect. He booked our arrival. They booked our arrival rather. They take the statement from that Samsidin as a witness. They asked me to go to hospital. I went to hospital. I was treated and discharged.
And then today, we arraigned the driver on the traffic offenses, and he is sentenced to 1 month imprisonment with hard labor. So this is the case. And then my last warning will be to the Gambians. This is a very beautiful country. This is a very respectful country. The people are so beautiful and respectful. So let us respect our local police.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Bembarame France for NPP. Ginam audio flanyanti. Gambia din alpareta kodi. Alina me bakede. Gambia din no membe kering keba kotolu muskaf ke din kebalu anina kebal men be nyim bolon kono television o mansial bulu alla neto kul fanal man beti am baake telephone kono ni ni audio futa tabi jam fana barala hakilo tenku ndalaga download faaka jigal kana la me ali beera Husseini Dabo lon bare comme a Husseini ma to jana funti sayni ka fulo ko loyan Dabo adalta to men ko loyan Dabo kabri kum fo kum o loyan Dabo killing kumo men bebe kering lafta bulale ñorto o loyan Dabo abi kamfa men kering anala mogolu iko baro ko kabe fagalale o me kamfa de men ni kamfa ani be mamma bo kan ateli ma jang wole munyinti ko Husseini Dabo kabirin anim baro be mansa kunda kono almin ko me baake de annun abi diala nyim baake fana Husseini Dabo nim fem fenga kelo ke Gambia kono ni re baba fa Husseini Dabo noma bi alibe loi so la kordan talibulu alisal turolo nyin ko mon bitu natel baba la fago UDP kono hani kanabula bi la na jareta prater tuji alfano nyalo na man jare fana tel go nyalo baral nyin ko mon me baake atel leli baba ni Husseini Dabo tarita nyin kelo kono feita ta kaso la fuy fata nyin kelo kono ifata kele jon kono iko yaya jamme be banko maraka nyamin kaman betia ike en kaba maraka nyadi e kasi mo la yeman asi mo faga asi mo puka asi mo faga asi mo buru dolos banko bula banko be torada ike tele bolo kelola yo nde menje kumanante be mbade nde fanna mirote bolo kelola bare sanyin dunya fanan be gamira gambe be la mirote bolo kelola bare ni agatari bolo kelola janna me baake de nyin kane dande ateli meni baba nin ateli meni kel nin Husseini Dabo nyin kelo ke foy banta kelo nyin kono alnin dala me baake de nyin audio bal na fala baake Husseini Dabo kabrin anin president Barrow be masakunda kono parce que Husseini Dabo be kaso la nyame fa na nyawo be audio laban netim be futam be laban na jele kelo be je kerin sante mbolo nya fala Husseini Dabo nin president Barrow be masakunda kono Husseini Dabo jandim baro be sigila mansa kunda kono mogolle sota nimmen ga kelo ke foli fagata mansa kunda ko nyin kelo nyin kono ko ka yaaja me bondi hani siningol din be luwasola do la karanti nyata kabrim baro nata president baro gati ta aga ke ministati ay mansa kunda asagita gata ake vice president ay mansa kunda bar jannabe bolu vice president yala abe nyin kena kumo men fokan atele folomu khadama dinti menga kayto dada kala futa president baroma comme president baro ga fale nyame ako Hussein Dabo la muso ala futu muso le kayto dada kadi president barola kay tan jala ko lafita na muso ga kayto le dundi pour commencer kunda ga son kordala ala nimme abanda wala de alo muso fananga dingme wulu a ding muso wo fananga kayto safe ka dundi mansa kunda kono la ko mansa kunda ka kayto ka korda diala ni mo fulo be ala futu muso ana wulu ding oli bera kayto safe ka mansa kunda dani kali korda dinna andi bo daniro kela aga tar million be laren Hussein Dabo la kontola ateli meni ba fola ko Hussein Dabo be gambe bulato alte ku kala mabar Hussein Dabo men negen kan alilo fabulo gala jema Hussein Dabo la account ko no million be larinji a sagi ta ro million tuji ateni meni rakelo ke woli fagata kelo kono iding ni musul be luwaso la khani bi do la karantinyata ni kontonte mi siman a ro million to kontola a sagita ka kayto safe kadi baro la mansa kundala kalin na muso son kordala e kay bismillah a sagita fana ka dingoy adinyen ngena la kayto safe le priga son kordala bato ngado safe fana nyem barin tele mud bay président bi président baro na dindina mu be mansa kunda kono janni ngabo mansa kunda kono ali profiter narbe min sotala ga soto i fana nga kayto safe ga samira korda dila o fana ko bismillah kayti fula ko dundi o kayti fulo men dunda jannin kaytol be banna process la ko baro ga fo nyamen ira Hussein Dabo bay masakunda ko aljanna me bakade kabrira bay masakunda kono UDP kolbe loring banko tonko nano be fetena baro ga Hussein jamfale baro ga Hussein fale baro ga nyin ketenne billahi walla tallay la ilaha illallah alin kana sonyina baro mu jamfantunati baro mu hasidolati baro be sagarin tenne ali bawlen ali nga nyoko fa banko ka te ali nga marasel jani ali nga polisol fa ali nga fengol jani itele bo wuro men belade na miro to Hussein fana nyantena le Hussein fana nga fako billahi walla tallay baro ga jamfa baro Hussein mo kede bare meni be wur kan wolinte ku kalama Hussein jigita duguma la galle taro mundin safiya ga ki baro ya kay president baro nte nite tema meni ben no me wuro men nantel hajuntul lakoto nte ben kunna fale no man nite tema aki alana la kila hanni gambay man sakunda kono na patio mogol be wur kambar kana ke ntela ko la kana ke kam fa men be kandela ko la kano kede nde me randing son korda la kay ana musu kayto men be ira dundi bar kayto li mambam process la bar kana kayto ngini reject ndeni son korda la namuso Allahu akbar man sake jong si songin na duniyan kono ni barondi barora Musa Drame kili wala mu minister to tumodi minister of land akay Musa Drame akay nam akay Hussein Dabo jana kila do nati de bar na mam ben janna bondi man sakunda kono ala mogol be banan la bar ntela kobe ala bulu bar Hussein Dabo fan jigita duguma a kayto safe nyenko kayto mera safe ala muso ka kayto men dundi anya din ke son kordala mansa kundala kordalu akon ngaki ala ngaki kila en kana din la kayto lu fay wol ken son kordala ntela bayo wonte porlonde bar ndin son kordani na muso baro kay problem untala bar UDP din killing manyi long ima kala muta ka foko etele be wur kam men ko mi bala kelo ke kam baro la kola wo ka kayto safi baro ndugumale ka dani ni baro ga so men na sigala bungono hayda sonna nyina way hay baro be ten way halin kana sonnina way pour al ga fahamu ko Hussein Dabo meta tulunna tellaten binte man sake jombu duniyan kono man sake menga lonko inabe do ko la ira bay ari bay isagite ga dani fenna i musu kare muson kordala ira dani kare ding son kordala bare wo kordañi na miro to naxatare Hussein Dabo be men foka dala ani UDP nkolo be men foka tele gambe dini wo mu toñati a ñanta fola le président baro ha nte nite bebe UDP le bari solo sandin donin wol fagata nyin kelo kono musulbe luwasola du karende ma hana kita 20 by 20 de ko dinna ngadi solo sandin dilla amo kede solo sandin na muso membe ojul bulakan ke kar Hussein Dabole fasa ite fele luwasola bari nyin Hussein Dabole be million ne kono ate fang na korda ba kono man sakundala ko diala aka korda dana dingyen amanda wala ga daniya musuyen ite be sigring sanyin kabirin wo keta baroga nyimbula musa dara bi korda kuntu kadiya dinni korda kuntu kadiya musula gambia dinno alla miro to president Johnson keno na manke president baroti alin jabide president Jombe sonna nyinna na manke president baroti alin de ma duwala nay mansa ke fasi min nyato talibo alin de ma duwala foy mansa ke si me nyin dulato barobe bitirin fen jamala kunna wala ga ken ni ko kami kuma akama la fi kuma la membe duguma golelo na kuma da men kono mansa kundala ga diala amanda wala de a korda ngini nga dinyen ko mansa kunda ga din son korda la ira diala amanda wala de a korda ngini nga musiyen ko mansa kunda ga son korda la ira son korda la bari sanyin aliko Hussein Dabo ngake mansati mansa menga lon kabrabe kelo kono ani wandi keli menga kelo ke foyre lapi ke faga o dini bi luwaso la bi ani musulu president jannintem Hussein Dabo te alibara kende amin foka nabo nyale alibara waso men foka nabo nyale asa fonko ntenga korda sofole ba kono ntemu loyenati na konto la million beje jannim be korda ngini nan dinyen ngani ni musuyen batu nga korda ngini solo sandin dinyen an al musulu ikabulu asbara mo kede aka nyineki mboto ko di o seniyata Hussein Dabo UDP la party leader kabrani mbaro kafta mansaya ira ta ira ki ministre ira bondi wole ira ki vice president ya nyin kono adingna la futu muso wolle la kayto safe ka di mansa kunda la ka foyen ka linson kordala jannin kaytol be banna president baro ga bay UDP ko be kelo men bela president Hussein Dabo retel tu komale kadun duguma ka futa baro magullo kono ka kila ki kaytandala ko iram bay problème tala baraki ala na la kila musunun din na korda ke wol so wala president baro kay problème tala o korda ta ka dia dingna ya korda ta ka dia la musola ntamitana nakodi albira nyin la fahamule nyina mu fenti abe mem mabo kan nyim mitino kono parce que baro da magata jelale bare amalla fi mugol ganyin kumole me sila ta saya le tabe denka wala ka UDP din pousser baro kan ani mama kande na nyono xawyel mente ku kalama ke pousser baro kan ko baro ka be mfakala abe denka nyine la abe nyine mabo kan duguma bare sa entameto la ko di dum fana seniata sanyi president baro ni wato kono man sakunda fana ngaji be ko batunga dula kuntu kadi president baro la pour sinin kamanala mansa ya banta asije lo aga sigije president baro ganin kole di kibaro jenjenta mo gola fo ko president baro man sakunda korda diala pour nala mansa ya banta si sigi damen Hussein Dabo funtita ira mitino le dole soto ko yelode alota dunia be nyato ako president baro be symbole la kam mogol kan ali ko mo me bakade ako president baro be symbole la kam mogol kan kela korda ta force kam barko man salamata ko man yankela man sakunda menga kaito ati menga kaito safi ka samba man sakunda ira korda dia dingna man da wala de ira safi ka dia musula amon fen fononde bare kabrim mansa kunda ga kaito safe ko ka kordadi president baro la pour nala mansa banda be sigila dame Hussein Dabo funti tam mogol maka falen ka fu mu gambeno li ho sunfele e ka jo musunti ko president baro musunneti abe korda tala sembo kan barka mu mansati gambe di mbal be la meri la fitante mem be kuma kan dala ateli mem bebe na me kan gambe kono kabrin ka ton fokoina lefta tili bera ke president baro la palaso la bi al bera ke comme mbe taguma sedo ke kala fa taguma sedo ni mo bera la mede lefta para al bera ke comme president baro be damen bi man salemat itata mo tata itata president baro kan ikaye ngo ndema korda din akadiata ndema banko be la korda ira kuntu kadin dinna ahoke ikayen kote ndema ira korda kuntu kadina musola ahoke o mansakunda mengoke wo mansakunda kilim fanan ko batunga korda di president barola pour nala mansa banta be sigile damen itaga funtinaren kalo dunia be nyatirin na ko baro manya wo kela wo musunneta manya mansakunda korda tala be symbole la kanji ni nyin dunte iteni mogo tema itela miro ta be jabila munna annun aga mellaw kumo kan aga ita gambe din la ka foko president baro ga nyin korda ba ke kan symbole ti ka ta manyan ka ta barintente fem fola ninte Hussein Dabo kita mansati mbinyin korda busi lalale leftale begal sigi baro la palaso la sigrin dami Hussein Dabo ga nyim memfo nyim mentan na tambiten na nyugon kititele mun kala ibaja bela munna muso hay etme mena me kande president baro ni Hussein Dabo ni tarigo men jana tambiten na nyugon kete tela ibe Hussein Dabo jabela munna ite mu mansati Hussein Dabo ken ko korda dinna mba dilan dinna eroke aken ko nyimu mansakunda korda te ikay ha iradia dinna ridi mota kalama amurta kote kali korda din musula iradia musula aride moto kalama o mansakunda kilinga sagi iko banko la president nyenko nindula kar ngin dila ni fanam bota mansa yale si nyin taka kila kordati o Hussein Dabo kilinga sagi kalo dunia be tema agaita molla ko barobe men keka manyan kela barobe nyin kordata kan sembola dun sunyarol mu barate Hussein Dabo nakita mansati banko ka lungolum president la korda nya ba tala bulle sanyi nite be barola palaso le be Hussein jabila munna gambe dinno nite be barola palaso le bi be Hussein jabila munna mbole batundi mbo jabila batundi ba jabila munna Hussein Dabo ding mantari mansakunda do kula manke president Hussein Dabo la muso manke mansakunda do kula ta manke president o khani taka kaiti kensen safi ko barate kele mu vice president batu ngata mansakunda dani kordala iradiala akadim fanyin traji iradi wo fanana parce que silo la munyinti menga nyante kala Gambia barate le men be nyu wulan ko na manyi nyalon ka fo kala banku di ya nyanto ko nyin dialla le pour isi mansakunda dani no sigdulala ila nyanto almo nyantolo bar ni raja te galon loya ne mati andunga be mansakunda kono atra nyim fulo ke radia dingne radia musula wol manke president mantara mansakunda kono fereng silam membe banko marakan fokana bula bila ni mansakunda ko ngadulale ditela pour ni fanan buta mansa yale si je loka sigi je Hussein Dabo ga alamuta ga kila wuro muta ako manyan kela ako nate kita mansa ta bo korda tala president baro bulle ite membe na mekale be tout say lefte gatari president baro la palaso la ibe Hussein Dabo jabila munna la fingini kala wala ba jabila munna wala ga kending president baro fanan kayen ko akayen ko Hussein Dabo mben kalile mbi Allahu akbaru yimu funele alimalo ne do president baro funelam baran kalbe son tolale amo fin kunda ti babu kunda sulaka kunda fune dalilo menga demfula ke kono foli wuluta nyola membo kundan tola mogola london te sila non fo ala fenne farambe bulina be yayka ala mi mo ke kensenti de adu mi mo ke mansati kensen baronin fenne be yaykan alinta men kalama baral ba kalamu tala kilin hani sanyin fen jamala bo mabur nga bulu asimenna funtino ali yem pour dunia gaji bar president baro kita mogol tam boka amake am ya fayita bar nsin faliye ni menta kalama ni ko adama do ba fara musolum kele mu nyimu fune leti afune nyoko banta awo fune musu nyoko nyin wole dim mu nyin amadou sanan en jega saneti pratin fahamu baki president baro wulita ako Hussein Dabo be nyin kumo fola wata Nigeria akaay bare mbe jabila ni mbe na bureau yela brikama munna parce que president Hussein Dabo am mitino ke brikama la en kumo faji afanan ko ninna ta brikama mbe jabila na en kumo la president baro man sigi state house kono ka jabide adum man ta marché to ka jabide president baro ga jabi politigo le kono nyimu politigo la bomoleti ajana ko momen fayinteng politigo kono bomola bu nyinti aga ray soto le ka low political platform kan ira jabi fen na mafo ka daile ke banane parce que man saya kamma bara si jabi fara senya lew ifanga layna ko ngan jabi ako Hussein Dabo ne ko ntenga menke dingin o fele nga menke la musoyen o fele iran dan kordala ngadi dingna iran dan kordala ngadi la musola o mansakunda men ngadi wala o mansakunda kilinga na korda din nante men mu president ko ninna mansa ya banta mesigila dabe ite Hussein Dabo man tentu man jagi ma fo nya baraka foka sagi kalo dunya nyatili na ka fo en ko president Barrow be din korda ta kan symbole la bar ninte kita mansati mba tala bulle ite ko nin kita mansati mba tala ni kita mansati ba tala bari man kati folo ate membe je a fananke en ko Hussein Dabo mben kalila bi billahi wallahi tallahi mben kalila bi Hussein Dabo en tant que imam fara alin ko me bakade en tant que imam fara mben sigran kono jam en tant que be balu kono mben sigran kono jam ibe fagala le kantuni mansa yala ni fagata ni ra fonyente fanga wuli katarela badeto ila bade kola nsina déclarer pour ngamansa nyimbula ala nyum fonyen tanobe munto atele men bebe me kan gambe dim tanobe munto le atele men bena me kan fatel la kordal kono alna la mogol tema al dam mal tema kaf nyogol tema badim tema ke bal muskaf ke al dam mal tema ni jagore kon are kon nal ko pram e kam fa la korda tema ibe na ngini kampuru nyinga kentela ibe fagala fo banko ake tulo kono e moje nyala ami mo jabi nyina ba alsa jabile ite keba men mena me kan almamo nyi kunun ko itani men kelte am fay ika diate ya guyate ibe fagala le fongi bade ntela almam ya into tinyano la e mo fay ba iro jabi menna president Barrow fan janne jabi walla ala fonye ban gambe din mun kuma be jang ben tinyata bar même kete rolon
ili na constitution amra section 68 lom ako president manyan ala palaso usla ka fen soto directly or indirectly men loi mantanyo and Mr. President ntako wa section ni you violate le Kaduko, you and Ahmad Ba, you conspired to take from the Gambian people an asset that belongs to the government of the Gambia. That is not a layout. Mayor Nkavoko, the minister, can under the State Lands Act grant leases to anybody or make allocations to anybody. That is not a layout. Wamansa kundala cordality. Aboko kumandang la residence beja nyamin. Ye wuli doro yata ko koy batala. Allocation. O manque allocation on boy kangleti. Nyem dulani ya Adama Baroni Ahmad Ba or whoever would mean so. Iboita Gambian call kanne ya Gambian call yala fengta an Islamanta. Ila sembekero yole you semba me yalon ka of an abuse of power. And that is not the type of government you people who want to have to be in charge of the affairs of this country. President Yemenke is in fact in contravention of the constitution. Amanya na lola wadula Chief Justice Officer Residence Lom Mansakunda Kendo me yalam ka ko senda wala Mansakunda be mensi kalgola wala wadla to abe warli nyame be bunkende lola jeto Chief Justice na karadola na bunkende lo jefana President of the Gambia Court of Appeal so da nyi George Bafulol melan ka ko iteleme na kito nyatling la Mansakunda la Keno Mansakunda la fang me yalon ka ko weltamo yes sabati jeto but yana yes sembo use abuse your powers, abuse your authority, and misappropriate or appropriate the land to yourself, and you call that an allocation. I think to say that allocation is in fact a wrong use of the word. Allocation in relation to land janto is always for layouts, approved layouts. The eligibility criteria me yalon kafoko wala be me yalon kafoko yaka under regulation 6 of the second schedule in the state center, I will Kavoko, Femfe Yalam Kafu Gambia Dignity, an approved layout in Yantale, Yadula Sotijet. Baratata ko, Natarete Mari, Cordal Bebulle, Goto as approved layout, it a fence on Lajeto, Masakuna Mania allocate Lajet, Adama Baroka Koda Jolesota, I make like Koda or Ulasa. Manyan Hanata layout on them, a Manya Solajet, Sakura Lame Yalam Kafa, Hamanke layout. Abakaloko Cape, State House number 2. Ni President Koran Sita Janto, na Benaritala, I have combatant Fananga Janta, na develop, na can retirement committee. Ni Nyole Katajanto. Sunyaro, Nada Kavko Fene Mikachikano, Barisavoko, Bankon Yatapale Yale, Adamabaro Namadba, or the Minister Mayalka, Ndako Yatapale Yale. And I want them to prove me wrong. In the first place, I want to see the application. But you have to apply for allocation of land in an approved layout. We want to see the application that was made. And I say that there was no application made. There, Al-Kanabuloko Ninadi, Dangamra, Banketa, Isital Dorong, Maudo, Aye Palaso, Kotako Sadoda, Kodimi File, I all fire, Aka Maudo, don't have problem. Me Okaima. What a kid. That's a problem. So that is Savoko, former President Sadola Karabala Koda South Atlantic, former President Adamabaro Koda South Atlantic. But we Gambians are not going to have it. I ask every Gambian to rise up and say that this appropriation of property, of government asset, has to be rescinded. And let the property revert back to the government of the Gambia. Adamabaro, my advice to you is stop any development on that land, because that is in your own interest. Because if you continue with any development on that land, government must set me ya convert yata yake tate nim falling katajanto, you may lose it, because already you have been warned. Kavoko, this should not go on. And I advise you and I advise the minister, Kavoko, for your not that you have any moral conscience, if you have any moral rectitude, these are things that should not happen. You shouldn't even allow them to happen. Ya jame anala chafarto ya be. Anala chafarto ya be. Anala lifim banko la nyawonya. Nene mama government asset ayata. Kavka ayata kaka. Anala manke. Anala chafarto ya be. And those were type of wrongs mayor and konka manya lekele bankoka. How can you come in as a government that should rectify wrongdoing? You come and perpetuate wrongdoing. Doing things are quite contrary to the Lands Act, are quite contrary to the Constitution of the Gambia. And you expect Gambians to really look away and not say anything about it. We'll say something, we are urging you, we are asking you to stop any development on that land, because you are developing land that belongs to the government of the Gambia. This is not an approved layout. This is an asset of the government, and converting it, in fact, it's just like committing an economic crime. It's just like committing an economic crime. You know? And I believe that anyone involved in that can rightly be charged for that. Because they are explaining away a wrong deed. Yes, Mr. President. You are going to school. I was not a politician. I was not holding a political position. I did not hold any office. I can influence the Minister for Lands to allocate the land to me. I'm just a mere civil servant, just like all other civil servants. And I can name 2 or 3 of them lawyers: Antuman Gay, Fafam Bay, Wallace Grant. All lawyers, we had our properties there. And there are other civil servants, they all had allocations there. And that is an approved layout. And certainly, because we, according to the eligibility criteria, we deserve it. Mr. President, your minister wants to mislead the Gambian people, and I'm disappointed that Mr. Ahmad Ba did not do his research properly before he came out with that wishy-wishy wishy-washy press release. Yes, there's allocation to Fatimata Fenda Dabo, Ndimma. There's allocation to her, and I think they call it Bijilo Mini Layout. That allocation was made in 2023, or at least the lease was signed in 2023. And the lease took effect in 19th May 2019. So our date of application was May 2019. What influence did I have? So that now daughter's application is also known. My wife, Mae, had allocation, and that was in 2022. Years after I had left government. So to tell people that he was foreign minister, I was vice president, was just to mislead people. They misused their official position. I never used my position as a minister to gain anything for any of my relatives or for myself. I've never done it because I thought morally, if legally it was not wrong, I think morally it was wrong. So I've never done it. Now, Mr. Hamad Ba, Mr. President, go back and come back with an explanation why you have to steal our land and give it to Adama Barrow. I think that is what you have to explain to the Gambian people, not this kind of comical press statements that you produce. You know.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته ببادين NPP كول بي كونتنا be NPP diamulal be kontonna be NPP palastiol be kontonna be ala danila mo mondin kilin naye fo ala sintol be so kayrola arrahman barako kamala bi natale pour nim badi maye kacha abe kala badi ya kachalati abe kala nyo hakili bulando kachalati ate kala kombe nyo doyalale walla mbinala jenne nga doya nte wokela katu mola mati mengalon ko ala katu ko warba keta NPP parti la karolale yo barintol fana nga hakola soto ate kan wato menna ay palaso mara NPP parti kono o palaso ning ngajele ate fanka safe nun ako ate mu PRO tinun National Youth PRO for NPP bara baka safe je ko National Youth PRO for UDP Democratic Party wala mu jumati wala mu nabadi mati menkete Lamin Touré Birkama Das Lamedi mo mengalon ko hakili ma balem andung diamu la balem diamu no la bale fenem nka mo yala diamo kono ako kila sallallahu alaihi wasallam ko ise ibadi ma koy na ye toñin diroke bar ise ibadi fana ma koy ni ya toñin bim fintita nanne ni wo hakili ma baye kacha menkete Lamin Touré Birkama Das Lamedi nga hakko sota kan nun wato menna ay palaso maranun NPP parti la karola wo NPP parti la karola ntol bele nganna na fulo USJ bele nganna jata kende ya USJ ale jata kende ya men karfanna ani ale na fulo men karfanna nga kije man kamala wala mu nyinte ko kayro nin tanko membe sabateri banko kan wosi ke fenti men ngalon ko asike nyaato ta kuti alhamdulillah rabbil alamin bi nata num pour nimbadi o kacha wakati akono atekele jabiroti abekel hakili bulandolti drong wato men president Adam Barrow diamuta aye kuma kan jabi kuma kan mengalon ko president Adam Barrow folo mafo bare kuma kan nam mengalon ko abe jabiro la kekan anden tonya president Adam Barrow ntel belora ko mala bi mbelora ko mala sama ay ko kun dinke wala diatan telier ay kuma kan fo wala diatan telier comme ay kuma kan fo memma wala fasar lali wali ebe mo fasa kan mengalon ko kuma kan aya fo nun president Adam Barrow ma wala ya fu banko kan ila mol bakaje tanati kuma kan nin anyanta fola bang ila mol bakaje tanati kuma kan ni amanyam fola bang ela mul bakaji tanati woton tole fanan belorum president Adam Barrow komale kuma kan wo kuma kan ni ayatar president Adam Barrow folo ma fo akete jabir lalti ntol belorum president Adam Barrow komale surtout annintilo bari ngana badi maji men ngalon ko na place la babulu ako national youth PRO men kete Lamin Touré Brikama Dasilamati ako president Adam Barrow nyanta la kuma kan withdraw la le president Adam Barrow nyanta finti la le president Adama Barrow ako wonyanta finti la le malon a nyanta finti la nyaadi le fa nyanta safero la kala bang fa nyanta press release la kala bang wala nyanta press conference la commande la bang aya fo ngakuma kan men fo loya Ousainou Darboe ma ngakuma kan withdraw la bi nga withdraw la sama bare ateko president Adam Barrow nyanta finti la le ke bolo sayro ke loya Ousainou Darboe la ay kuma kan men fo num president Adam Barrow ma anim president Adam Barrow na kuma kan men fo num loya Ousainou Darboe ma na place tiyo men ngalon ko wala Lamin Touré Brikama Dasilamati ate nyin kuma kan la fo num bari ni nga nyini ka muna mala daliloti ato ko president Adam Barrow nyanta findilale aya fo loya Ousainou Darboe ko kuma kan men nga foy ma manyan ka foy ma bi manyan ka foy ma sama mbe yam fo dani le bulu ese yam famma na badi ma men kete Lamin Touré Brikama Dasilamati mba fo le ko NPP la palaso la be bulu UDP la palaso mantari bulo kono ando NPP palaso men be bulo kono ntol NPP dum bele hakko belari ite kan wato menna ye palaso e sonto ko be palaso marala anden ni be palaso marala political palaso e be wala marakan e be loyal la moyenne men ngalon ko e be wala parti kono e be loyal la moyenne men ngalon ko wala moy le nyaaton koti bar nin nataaje ete findita e ko president Adam Barrow nyanta findila le ay loya Ousainou Darboe bolo say hannin cha hano konolam na badima Lamin Touré Brikama Dasilame kuma jamal la tambita jande ku jamal la fata jang bari ni te be fintila e be diamu kan e ka diamu hakili malle pour essayer lamoy ni te be diamu kan e ka diamu hakili malle pour ye lamoy anden e kam men foy le diamo kono wala nyindi ko banko diwle al kana la carte ke sosika ala di loya Ousainou Darboe la katu ay nim fo janne ay ninki janne na badima woto nin ko membe wo nyama ma mira ko loya Ousainou Darboe si findi a fo president Adam Barrow e banko diwle ni carte dintel sawo san kanyeta jang mbele soto fewntale bulle president Adam Barrow ya fay ko nin ayatere iko lunga batu woto be balula janne foye fa ndala nim palaso mbe sirin na manse asiron nyin kono kato president Adam Barrow diamoto num mande ka kanla ande ete fanan findita e diamoto num mande ka kanla so woto ko membe wo nyama ndolla hakolo be laari kan membe ko mayala abe sayla e ko maya Mr Touré kato ndenga audio ni moy damen ngajele audio ni ya delete mo jamal be diam kan e bele complaino yitandi kan kaaje ko niaje sa intol baka Lamin Touré lam moy ngam men suuti ala koto afelenti wala fintita nanje bari nte mo wo suuti ala koto nde men suuti ala koto wala nyinti ko e be lorim president Barrow ko male suutu anintilo andu iba fasa kanne sa iba fasa kan nyaadi wa alhamdulillah rabbil alamin alele wolong bari nte la jeer nyaato najjo ya miroto ye president Barrow kanule andu be lora ko male suuto nintilo bari ngawo mol jele e ko Lamin Touré la audio tol bu ko lam moy ameta andu nga yilla ninnal ko Lamin Touré abe nim folale ka fo ko president Adam Barrow findinan ay bolo sayro ke loya Ousainou Darboe la ay kuma kam men fonun andum president Barrow be jabirol la president Barrow men ke mo foloti men ngalon ko ay kuma kam fay loya Ousainou Darboe kan president Barrow be jabirol la woto na badi ma Lamin Touré Brikama Dasilamé mbe ñoko noto diala kontol bela denta NPP parti la mbe ñoko noto diala kon ntol be kam men fonun wala ñinti ko nin ayatari yeto ñindiroke ntol NPP ko la president Barrow kanun tol la mbe wo yitandilal de banni ayatare ko mola fana ngi toñin NPP parti kono mbewo fana yitandilale wala mutilunti wala mutoñati ntol ngaje ko kuma kam mengalon ko afote bulu wala iyafo ngaje kuma kan amanyam fola mo bulu mengalon ko wala be marlintol la palaso la wala be marle NPP la palaso la ete kam men safe wala national youth PRO fo NPP bari baka safe je national youth PRO fo UDP Democratic Party ibako safe je de woto wato bele ni tebe diamula men ñente la mansa kewla kanuntol kontan la etel ñanta lola wala kan loya Usain Dabo diamata jenna ako yu aran kol mbal nya fete la tilola UDP kol ko amma fo nyama loya Usain Dabo lota jenna ako benim banko marlo kolendi la UDP kol ko amma fo nyama loya Usain Dabo lota jenne ako president Adam Barrow e faye muna tuibulu nim banko kan UDP kol ko amma fo nyama loya Usain Dabo lota jenne ako ni sintiñano ñetiña ni setiñano ñetiña UDP kol ko amma fo nyama and iti yalo ne ko aya fo nyama bari ya fasa alo kuma kan be kamala woto mona ke tete president Adam Barrow fasa la mona ke tete lo president Adam Barrow koma mbadi ma birkama Lamin Touré birkama da islam national youth PRO for NPP not national youth PRO for UDP Democratic Party ndenga ni mirial soto pour ngatala nyotema nti nala jang comme be ñoo respond lale bari tol be lori ne ke NPP parti ka fasa ka sembentu yande andum be lori janne ke president Adam Barrow sembentu yande ka fasa kuma kanto men ngalon ko mole ya faya kan afintita nan pour afana be respond la ha afana be jabiro ke kan wo kuma kan nyin bantul akata ñi surprise lati akata ñi jahalolti ko NPP la palastio wo se finti nan aya yitendi ko president Adam Barrow kuma kan men fo anyanta ka withdrawle president Adam Barrow kuma kan men fo no anyanta findila la ay bolo sayro ke mola abe men jabe kan akatente le jikila teolti NPP la palastio men ngalon ko amandang mol ka fay palastio ate fang lata ko palastio lo mati fa ka safe num ala update to ko palaso men babulu aka wo safe ka yitandi andu nabe wo yitandi la abaka fo UDP aka fo NPP akatento le jahaloti anin ni ko yati woto nabadi ma tol be mu diamu lalti mistake baka bay e sanji jama ke be diamu kande alhamdulillah rabbil alamin woto kana kuma kam fo men sey la diamu ning asi mol ko la dindila kato birimbe mol je kan iko ibake lam moy ameta iko because yalla nako ite be findila tenne ke findinan andu ite ka NPP la support ite ka president Barrow support non ite findinan iko president Adam Barrow nyanta ala kuma kam withdraw la so Usain Dabo men fo wo nyanta tula lol wotole loya Usain Dabo men fo wo nyanta tula lol wotol de ika wala yitande mbe hakkilimal be tentle be mol be jayla na badi man nen audio lam moy na kete kole akuti mbele denta NPP parti la membe na parti sambala nyaato wala mum mbela nganyoti nen ko bakam fotambul je mentate tora e si yam fanye baraka bake mbe mol be tentle be mol be jayla ala baraka bake ala la mol kunni makamala assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh